Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset your Tinder swipe score. So I just log into my Tinder application on my mobile device, and how it's possible, I will just move in my profile icon, which is right bottom, and just tap to the top right corner of gear icon. So after these settings, I will scroll down to find, you may more scroll down and find in the last, you will see this delete account. So deleting your account and uninstalling the app is only way to reset the Tinder score. So go ahead and try it out. Just tap to delete account and select any skip for this. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.